see right now, I've taken off this, y'all excuse my neighbor. Seems like they always know when I'm doing a video, so they start their lawnmower up. That's a joke. They live around the corner, so they don't even know. But anyway, let me get back to this. Let me zoom out a little bit. I've taken the top off here, the lid off the top there, and then that cardboard just goes around. And then I've got, so that's what I took it off of. Had all these little straps. I had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 or 6 straps. I only had to cut one of them. I just pulled it off. And so it's got all the styrofoam with it. Really pretty happy about getting this. It was a sort of a birthday present. Oh, this is what you can get me for my birthday. Kind of a deal. And so, from the whole family. And what's really cool about this is I'm going to be able to put it in my enclosed trailer. And I should be able to roll it in and out. Take tools with me to do my projects and different things. So let me show you quickly a few things. Got all the styrofoam stuff here. I got to get out of the way. All right, styrofoam on each end. And so this is the rails to go, I guess, down the sides. Got them all wrapped up. Got some, you set that off to the side. This little cover, I don't think just does anything. It's just a cover. Little foam piece. Oh, that's pretty nice. Got my two dampers there. Not sure what else. Take this off. I guess I wanted red. I sort of like the blue one. Had several colors. They had a bright green that I considered. Types of keys there. Owner's manual. Safety instructions. Yeah, looks like I'm going to have to bolt the bottom shelf to these casters. And then let's see, that's figure A, figure B. Then you bolt the uprights. See if you can see that. Bolt the uprights onto the bottom platform. Then you're going to put some, I guess, a brace around this bottom. So you build the bottom and then you set the chest on it. Here, figure D. Set the chest on it. I'm sure there's tons of bolts there. And you've got to do all these bolts. At the top, there's a lid handle, all these corner brackets. You can see right here on this corner, so there's going to be the brackets that bolt right in here. Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Pretty good. Not sure that red is exactly what I hoped it would be, but I think it is. I think it's good enough. My second choice would have been the blue, I think, and this is kind of a royal blue. These don't look bad. Here are the different colors. White, black, blue, red, yellow, green, orange. I like the bright green because I wanted something that my tools wouldn't be. I didn't like black because the tools would be too dark in there. My eyesight's not great. So I kind of settled on the red, which would be easier to see. I didn't want the white because white would show the tools up, but it would also show smudges and everything really worse. Yellow was a little too bright. Orange was too orangey. So I like that lime green, but just didn't want it in my carport. So I went with the red, which matches the Craftsman I already have. And I like a toss-up between the blue one. Really like the blue one. So here's parts list and diagram, description. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. That's running a little too long. Okay, YouTube, thanks a lot.